Hi, Tom McPherson here. Here's one way to draw a cube. Start by drawing a point, a dot, which is just a position in space. And then we can draw a line going down. We're extending the dot into a line. By drawing a line going downwards. Next, we need to choose an angle for the side of the cube and then draw a dot to where our lines are going to go. And then we can draw a straight line between the top and the bottom of our first line to the two new dots, which are at the same angle apart. So now we started with a dot and then we got a line. And then if we add one more vertical line, we'll create our first surface of the cube, the left-hand surface of the cube. And now we've got a surface. Next, we can extend this surface and create a form which shows the illusion of depth. We can start to do this by drawing two lines going to the right from the top of the first surface that we drew. Now these two lines need to be the same length as all the other lines that we're drawing in our cube, and the two lines need to be parallel to each other. So the last line that we need on the top of the cube, which is basically a diamond shape, needs to be the same length as all the other lines in the cube, and it needs to be parallel to the two left-hand lines of the first surface that we drew. So then we'll have three lines which are parallel to each other, which are going towards the left. Next, we need to draw another vertical line, and all three vertical lines need to be parallel to each other. So to finish this cube, we just need to close off the surface that we're drawing on the right by drawing one more line, which is going towards the right and is parallel to the other two lines on the top surface of the cube, which are also going towards the right. So now we have a simple three-dimensional cube. If you'd like to keep up to date with all the content that I create on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click like if you like, and please add a comment. Thanks very much and see you next time.